Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the new 2024 Ford Transit Custom and its predecessor, the one from 2023. This is the all-new model. Ford believe this is going to be a revolutionary design for the commercial vehicles industry. Let's have a look at what's new, what's different and what's changed between the two models. Let's start off by looking at some of the exterior features which Ford have updated to increase the style and functionality. The first thing that stands out is the grille on front of one of these things. Ford have gone for a more streamlined and modern design. This also improves airflow massively. Ford's also updated the lighting. On the 2024 model, these new sleeker headlights produce more lumens on the road so you can see more at night. As we work our way further down the vehicle, you'll notice that the wheel arches on the new 2024 model are more robust, sleeker, continuing that new modern-esque design. The wing mirrors have been redesigned on the new 2024 model to reduce wind noise and make them more streamlined. The first thing you notice when you walk into this new cab is the 12-inch screen in front of you. This is responsible for not only satellite navigation, your air conditioning control and radio, but it's also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a reversing camera as well. Ford has also updated the steering wheel with new redesigned buttons, making it easier to operate without taking your eyes off the road, and a more ergonomically designed steering wheel for longer drives. In terms of comfort, the 2024 Ford Transit Custom offers upgraded seat material to make it just that bit more comfortable on longer journeys. But let's talk tech. When it comes to the 2024 Ford Transit Custom, it comes with a new Sync 4 processing system inside as opposed to the Sync 3 in the old ones. A massive markup. Now this means it comes with a faster processing power so you can keep your eyes on the road for much longer. And it also means it improves things like the voice assist. Play BBC Radio 2.
Tuning to BBC Radio 2.
There we have it, the new 2024 Ford Transit Custom. Yes, it's got new styling, yes, it's got new systems inside, but one thing you do still have to remember, it is still a Ford Transit Custom, the absolute backbone for tradesmen in the UK. So let me know in the comments which one you'd rather have.